Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve Grok was unable to finish replying. And this happened to me when I was running a simple prompt to generate these images. And that came because I was trying to generate a YouTube script. I gave Grok a simple storyline, then it gave me a YouTube script to use for that animation that I'm going to do. And in step one, it's where it actually say that visual reference style, cute card plus kitten, like in image 0 and image 1. So what I did is I wanted to see these images, which it was telling me to kind of use as visual reference styles, because I didn't see them when it gave me this when I ran this script, when I ran this prompt. Okay. So I kind of got all that. Then I told Grok to regenerate these images because I'm not even sure where it was saying like in image 0 and image 1 because I'd not even supplied any image. Okay. So maybe I remember it from the old maybe chats or something. So I got this error, and I believe this error is a result of two reasons. One, um, your prompt is unclear. For example, here, even me, I'm not really sure what these brackets mean, like what image 0 and image 1, the brackets it's talking about. Okay. So, two, sometimes, like all the conversations are affecting the current prompts. So sometimes you can try to kind of log out and log in to kind of give it a fresh, to give it a good refresh. Okay. So let me try to retry. Let me just try to retry and see if that can really fix it. Okay. Now, in my case, when I try to kind of just do a refresh, this usually works for me. Okay. But in some cases, I have to log out and have to kind of log in. Right. So let me know if this has fixed your Ella, and I'll see you in the next video. For those of you who are interested in Grok videos, how to do videos with AI and all that stuff, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay.